MyLists is a feature provided by Digikey which enables the creation of a parts list for analysis of supply chain information, streamlined part procurement, purchasing quotations, and team collaboration. This quick how-to will provide step-by-step instructions on how to upload a BOM to MyLists with UltraBOM for Digikey directly from OrCAD X-Capture. With OrCAD X-Capture open, select UltraBOM, Digikey, Open from the menu. The UltraBOM for Digikey window opens at the bottom of the screen. Ensure the status of the parts in the design are listed with a green check. When the design is complete and the BOM is ready, select the BOM tab. Select Add New List to MyLists. Enter a name for the new list and click Create. The list has been created and a new button has appeared in UltraBOM for Digikey, enabling access to the newly created list. To access the list, select Open Digikey MyLists. A web page opens displaying the list, component quantities required, packaging, pricing, availability, and more. Review any issues which are automatically identified, such as component obsolescence, minimum order quantity requirements, and cost-saving opportunities. Quickly upload a BOM to MyLists with UltraBOM for Digikey to analyze supply chain and purchasing information for components in the design and streamline part procurement. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.